Good morning, students. Now I am teaching you exam 2 ma. Exam 2, ninth chapter, area of the plane figures ma. So, what the question ma? The parallel sides of a trapezium are 9 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and the distance between them is 6 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. Okay, here A, B, C, D is a trapezium ma. Trapezium means what ma? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here AB is parallel to DC. Parallel lines or parallel side means the distance between the two lines is same. You take anywhere, these two line distance is same. Okay, they given that one pair of the length of one pair of side is 9 centimeter, another parallel side length is 7 centimeter, and the distance is 6 centimeter. This distance is nothing but height. Okay, so here, okay, given that the length of one parallel side A is equal 9 centimeter. The length of another parallel side B is equal 7 centimeter, and also given that the distance between two parallel sides, that is H is equal 6 centimeter. Now find the area of trapezium. So here, what is the area of trapezium? So half of distance between the two parallel sides into sum of the two parallel sides, that is 1/2 into H into A plus B. Now substitute all the values, A value, B value, H value. Then we can get as area of a trapezium. So that is 1/2 into 6 into A 9, B 7. So 1/2 into 6 into 9 plus 7, 16. So 2 1 ja, 2 3, 16 ja, 40 centimeter square. So area of trapezium is how much ma? 48 centimeter. Next ma, exam 3 ma. Here, what is the question ma? Area of a trapezium is 480 centimeter square. Length of one of parallel side is 24 centimeter, and the distance between the parallel sides is 8 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Okay, how can find the length of the other parallel side? By using area of trapezium. First, here given the length of one of parallel side, let us take that is A is equal 24 centimeter. The distance between two parallel sides, let us take that is H. Distance is nothing but height ma, 8 centimeter. Next, let us take the length of another parallel side. Another parallel side B centimeter. Next, given that area of a trapezium is 480 centimeter square. This area is equal to area of trapezium formula. So what the area of the trapezium formula? 1/2 into distance between the two parallel sides into sum of the two parallel sides. That is 1/2 into H means distance between the two parallel sides into A plus B, sum of the two parallel sides. So the values are substituted in the given formula. So 1/2 into H 8 into A 24 plus B is equal 480. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So 4 into 24 plus B is equal 480. plus okay into 4 it is going to depend divide. So 24 plus b is equal 480 by 4. So 4 1 ja 4 120 ja 124 ja 480. Okay. So 24 plus b is equal 480 now 120 plus 24 is going to depend minus 120 minus 24. B is equal 96 centimeter. So therefore, the length of another parallel side D is equal 96 centimeter. This is the way to find the length of another parallel. Okay, next one, example 4. Here, what the question now? The ratio of the lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium is 4:1. So ratio means comparison between any two quantities with same units. Here what is the comparison here? We can compare the two parallel sides of a trapezium. Okay, so here the two parallel sides we can comparison. So how much? 4:1. That means first parallel side length is 4 parts, another length of the parallel side is 1 part. Each part how much they dividing we don't know that. Let us take the letter is x. 4 parts means how much ma? 4x. 1 part is how much ma? 1x. Next name ma the distance between them is 10 centimeter and also they given that the area of the trapezium is 500 centimeter square. So what asking? Find the length of the parallel sides. Okay, so Adama, given that the ratio of the lengths of parallel sides is 4:1. So one parallel side length is 4 parts, another length of parallel side is 1 part. Okay, each part how much they dividing? We don't know that. Let us take that is x. So here let us take length of one parallel side A is equal 4x. Each part 4 parts one length of parallel side is 4 parts kada. Each part how much they dividing? We don't know that. Let us take that is x. That is first length of one parallel side is 4x. Next length of another parallel side is b is equal 1x. Next the distance between two parallel sides is how much they given ma? 10 centimeter. Next what they given? Area of trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal 500 centimeter square. So what the formula for area of a trapezium? Half into distance between the two parallel sides into sum of two parallel sides is equal to given area of trapezium 500 centimeter square. So what the values are given? The values we can substitute in the given formula. We can find the length of the two parallel sides. So that is 1/2 into 10 into a 4x plus 1x is equal 500. So 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. 5 into 4x plus 1x, that is 5x is equal 500. So 5 5 ja 25x is equal 500. 25x means what not? 25 into x. This 25 is going to divide. So x is equal 500 by 25. So 25 1 ja 25 20 ja 25 2 ja 50. Okay, so x is equal 20. That means each part how much ma? 20. Okay, na? So first length of the one parallel side is how much ma? 4 parts na? That is 4 into x. X value and 24 into 20 and 8. So that is the length of one parallel side A is equal 4x, that is equal 4 into 20 is equal 80 centimeter. So next, the length of another parallel side B is equal 1x, that is equal 1 into 20 is equal 20 centimeter. So this is the way to find area of, to find the length of parallel side and also find area of the trapezium and also find the distance between two curved sides. Okay.